Dear student, here we solve this simplification, right? So this simplification based on exponential form. Okay, so here we solve this mathematical problem. We can write this one. Here we write equal to this one. It is exchange the numerator and denominator and its power will be become positive. That means it it will be right like this way, 3 square, right, plus this one 4 square plus this one 5 square minus 6 square, correct? So it will become this one 9 plus 16 plus 25 minus 36. We add all of them. Okay, so this will be became 50 minus 36 is equal to 14. So therefore answer this problem of this math is 14, correct? I hope you understood this solution, right? Here 1 by x is equal to, we can write x to the power minus 1 or x to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by x or x to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by x power 2, correct? This exponent formula help to solve these mathematical problems. I hope you understood these mathematical problems and their solution. Here I will solve the two simplification mathematical problems. Okay, so let's see how to solve these mathematical problems related with exponent, correct? So here given the 2 to the power 8 into 8 to the power 5 divided by 4 to the power 3 and 8 to the power 3, correct? So we write first this mathematical problems like this way. So this one 2 to the power 8 2 to the power 8 into 8 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 into 8 to the power 3. So then next we write 2 to the power 8 into 8 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power this one mn, that means 2 to the power 6 into 8 to the power 3. Now we follow the exponent formula, that will 2 to the power 8 minus 6 into 8 to the power 5 minus 3. It will become 2 to the power 2 into 8 to the power 2, right? That means it will become 2, that means it will become 2a whole to the power 2, or we can write this one 4a square, correct? That is the answer of this mathematical problem. So answer will be 4a square, correct? Now the another mathematical problem, here it is given. So this one 8 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3 divided by 8 to the power 3 into 7, correct? So we can write this mathematical problems is equal to this one 8 to the power 5 into 2. So that means 8 to the power n whole to the power n, its formula 8 to the power mn, correct? That means this 2 power will be multiply, correct, into 7 power 3 divided by 8, that means we can write 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 3 into 7. right? So next term we can write this one 2 to the power 10 into 7 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 9 into 7 to the power, that means 7 here. So we can write 2 to the power 10 minus 9 into 7 to the power 3 minus 1. Again, so it will become 2 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 2. That means 2 into 49 is equal to this one 98. So therefore answer is equal to 98. I hope student this two math I solve here, it is help you to better understand the exponent and how to solve the simplification based on exponent. Right, dear student, here I solved some mathematical problem based on percentage. Correct. Here, number one math is given an alloy consists of 7 parts of zinc and 33 parts of copper. Find the percentage of copper in the alloy. Correct. Now, let's solve these mathematical problems. Correct. So, here we write in an alloy, in an alloy, alloy, in an alloy, seven parts of zinc, zinc and 33 parts of copper. Correct. Therefore, total parts of alloy, therefore, total parts of alloy is equal to 7 plus 33 is equal to 40. Correct. Therefore, we can write 30 parts out of 33 parts out of 40 parts, 40 parts is copper. Okay, copper. Therefore, the percentage of copper will be will be will be 33 by 40 into 100, 8 percentage. Correct. So it will become this one 0 0 cancel, this one 2 2 is 4, this one 5. So we can write 33 into 5 divided by 2, its percentage. Okay, that means it will become this one 15, this one 60, 165 by 2. That means it will become 82.5 percentage. Okay, so we can write therefore the percentage of copper in alloy, therefore the percent, therefore the percentage of copper in alloy is 82.5. Correct. I hope you understood this mathematical problem regarding on percentage. Correct, dear student. Here I bring the another mathematical problems, that is a chalk contain calcium, carbon and send in the ratio 3:12:10. Right? Find the percentage of carbon in the chalk. Right? So here we can write in chalk, in chalk, in chalk, the ratio of of calcium, carbon and sand are 3:12:10. Correct? Therefore, therefore, the total ratio of the given items here is equal to 3 plus 12 plus 10, that is 22, and this one 25. Correct? And carbon contain is equal to 12. Correct? So therefore the percentage therefore the percentage of carbon in the chalk is equal to, we can write this one 12 by 25 into 100, then 8 percentage. Correct? That means it will become this one 448 percentage. Correct? So we can write the conclusion. Therefore, the percentage of carbon in the chalk is 48. Correct? I hope, student, you understood this mathematical problem based on percentage. Correct, dear student? Here I bring some mathematical problem based on profit and loss. Here given, Rajiv bought a calculator for rupees 760 and sold it for 800. Correct? Find his profit and profit percentage. Correct? So here I write cost price of cost price of calculator is equal to rupees 760. Correct? And it selling price given rupees 800. Correct? Therefore profit is equal to SP, that means selling price, minus CP, that means cross price. So here we write the selling price is 800 and cost price is equal to rupees 760. Okay, so it will become 40 rupees. Okay, now we find out the profit percentage. Now profit percentage is equal to, we can write profit into 100 divided by cost price, correct? So we put the value profit is 40 into 100 on the selling price of calculator is rupees 760. So 0 cancel here. Now it will become, we multiply this one will be, we calculate, and this one will be 400, correct? 400 divided by 76, it will become 200, and this one, 3 2 ja 6 8 38, again this one 100, and this one 19, that means 100 by 19. So this one percentage, that means it will become, this percentage will become how much? This one 519 ja, this one 519 ja, this one 545, that means 5, and this one 95. So 5 whole 5 by 19 percentage. Okay, so what is the percentage of profit? Therefore the percentage of profit is 5 whole 5 by 90, correct? This is the answer of this given problems and its solution, correct? I hope student you understood this mathematics problems. Here I bring the another mathematics problem based on profit and loss, correct? A shopkeeper sells an article at rupees 400, correct? Thus earning a profit of 20%. Find the cost price of the article, correct? So here we can write the selling price of an article is given rupees 400, correct? And profit is given is equal to 20%, right? Therefore cost price of the article is equal to SP, that means selling price, into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. Okay, now we put the value and solve this math. Here the SP of the articles is rupees 400 into 100 divided by 100 plus 20, correct? So this one rupees. Now we calculate and solve this math. This one 400 into 100 divided by 120. So 0 here cancel. Here 3, this one 3 4 ja, that means here we write 3, and this one 4 1 ja, that means it will become 100, correct? So it will become 1000. This one became 1000. 100 into 10, that means 1000 divided by 3. So now we divide them. Here we divide and find out the amount. Okay, find out the amount. This one 1000 divided by 3 it will become this one 3 3 ja 9. Now minus this one 1 and it brings 0, then it is not divisible. No, this one divisible, so we write here 3 3 ja again 9, this one 1 again 3 3 ja 9, so it will be 1 decimal 3, so we can write 333.3 rupees. Okay, so therefore we can write the cross price of the article. Therefore the cost price of the given article is rupees 333.3. Correct? I hope you understood this mathematical problems. Student, here I bring the another part of mathematics, that is based on ratio and proportion. Correct? So here I solved some the mathematics problems regarding on ratio and proportion. Here first given, if x is to 5, proportion 5 is to 3. Okay, then find out the value of x. Find out the value of x. Correct? Let's solve these mathematical problems. It is given that x is to 5, proportion 5 is to 3. Correct? As you know, the product of extreme product of extremes is equal to product of means. Correct? So imply that we can write, so these two are extreme, these two are means. That means here x multiply with 3, 5 multiply with 5, so we can write 3 into x is equal to 5 into 5, implies that x is equal to 5 into 5 by 3. That means therefore x is equal to 25 by 3. That means 8 whole 1 by 3. So answer x is equal to 8 whole 1 by 3. Right? I hope you understood this mathematical problem based on ratio and proportion. Correct? Dear student, here another mathematical problem based on ratio and proportion is, if x is to 35, proportional 48 is to 60. Find the value of x. Correct? So same like that we can write x is to 35, proportional 48 is to 60. Right? So here we can write product of extreme is equal to product of means. Right. So it will become implies that so x into 60 is equal to 35 into 48 implies that x is equal to 35 into 48 by 60. So this one 4 12 ja 48, 5 12 ja 65, this one 7. So therefore x is equal to 7 4 ja 28. So this is the answer. So find the value of x. Therefore x is equal to 28. I hope you understood this mathematical problems. Correct?